Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo V70 trunk from the inside. This essential safety feature is designed for emergencies. You'll need to locate a small, often yellow or glow-in-the-dark, handle inside the trunk compartment. It's usually found near the trunk latch mechanism. Knowing this method can be incredibly important for safety, especially in unexpected situations. To find the release handle, you might need to climb into the trunk from the rear passenger area. Once inside, scan the interior of the trunk lid. The handle is typically positioned close to the center, near where the trunk latches. It's designed to be easily identifiable, even in low light conditions, ensuring you can find it quickly when needed. Once you have located the emergency release handle, simply grasp it firmly. Then, pull the handle with a steady, deliberate motion towards the front of the vehicle. You should hear a distinct click as the trunk latch mechanism disengages. The trunk lid will then pop open slightly, allowing you to push it fully open and exit the vehicle safely. It is crucial to familiarize yourself and your family with this important safety feature. Take a moment to show children how to use the internal trunk release, emphasizing its purpose in an emergency. Additionally, it's a good practice to periodically test the handle to ensure it remains fully functional. Your safety is paramount, so be prepared for any situation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.